learners, in today's video I will give you tips to become better at chess tactics. So without any delay, let's jump right into it. Tip number 1. CCT. You are now probably wondering what the hell is CCT? Well, CCT stands for check, capture and threat. When you are trying to find tactics, you need to first check for checks. Check for checks? That sounds strange. But anyway, I mean you need to find checks. If there are no good checks, try to find captures. If there are no good captures, then try to find good threats. If there are no good threats, then there is something wrong with your position. I mean, most tactics should be solved by CCT. Now I know you don't trust me, so I will show you a live example with chess.com puzzle to show you how to use CCT when solving tactics. I am already logged in my account. Now I will go to puzzles and I will click on puzzles. It is loading.
2 hours later.
It is still loading.
2,000 years later.
It has now finally loaded and we are ready to start. In this position, it is showing black to move. First, we will see if there are any checks. Are there any checks? Queen d5 gives check, but it is of no use as we will simply lose the queen by cd5. Is there any captures? Rook d5 is a capture, but it simply loses the rook. Knight d5 is another possible capture, and it does not lose a piece. So that is the best possible capture we have. So we will play knight d5. White plays cd5. Now let's see, do we have any checks? Yes, we can play queen d5 check, but we don't gain anything by that. White will simply play queen d5, rook d5. Do we have another capture? Yes, we have rook d5, attacking the queen. So we will play that. Rook d5 capturing the pawn with threat. Now white has moved queen b1. Now we should again take into consideration, are there any checks? Yes, there is a check. We can give a check by moving the rook. But if you have seen the video where I have explained discover attack, you would know what to play here. Yes, we play rook d1 with an discovered check on the king and also with a threat of capturing the queen. White is forced to block the check by e4. Now we play rook b1, winning the queen, and see, it is solved. That is how easy it is to solve a tactics using CCT. You see how easily I solved this using CCT. Now let's come to our second tip. Tip number 2. Know a lot of tactical motifs or themes and practice them. The best way to do that is by chess tactics and combination books. Just like in your studies, you need books to learn. Similarly, in chess also, you need books to grow your knowledge. If you are a beginner and have just started learning tactics, then I would recommend 2 books for you. And no, these books have not sponsored me in any way. These books helped me strengthen my tactical skills, calculation speed and my intuition in my starting days. And I believe you would highly benefit from it. The first book is Chess Tactics for Champions. It has more than 30 tactical motifs, and after each tactical motif it has about 25 exercises. I do not remember exactly, but I am sure it has way more than 25 exercises. There are so many exercises so that you don't have to worry for positions to practice. You will always have something to solve. It is written by Susanpolgar, who was the Women's World Champion from 1996 to 1999. The link to the book is in the description below if you want to check it out. It only costs around 700 rupees or $10. Another book is called Chess Tactics for Kids. This book is unique because it has 50 tactical motifs and most of them do not have any common name. They are patterns that occur in most of your chess games. It is written by Murraychandler, a renowned chess author. The link to that book also is in the description below. Now if you do not want to spend money, then check out my chess tactics playlist by clicking on the I button on the corner. In this playlist I have made videos explaining different tactical motifs with an unsolved position given in the end for you to solve. And although there are not much views,
Why are we still here? Just to suffer? Every night.
I will keep making them for you guys. That is it for this video. I don't want to make a longer video because longer videos tend to be more boring. And if you want a second part of this, then you need to complete a like aim of 20 likes. Because I know that 20 likes is impossible, so it will not be completed. But before you go, hit the red subscribe button. It is absolutely free. Also, hit the notification button so that you don't miss out our latest videos. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye. Hello everyone, and this is not a part of the video. I just have a small announcement. I will not be able to make chess videos for some time due to some issues. So I wanted to make my last video on something that will help you in the long term. And it is not like this is my last video because I will start making again, but after some time. I will get back sooner if I see a sudden rise in subscriber or like if there is more than 1,000 views on this video and have likes and comments, but that is highly unlikely. So bye.